Frugality isn't just about cutting costs. It's about optimizing and living smarter. Today, we're diving into 20 frugal living hacks that not only save money but also improve your life quality. Embrace these strategies to make a significant impact on your financial health and daily living. Tip 1. Embrace a zero-waste lifestyle. Adopting a zero-waste lifestyle transcends simple recycling efforts. It's a comprehensive approach to minimize your environmental footprint by avoiding plastic packaging, opting for reusable containers, and composting organic waste. This philosophy encourages you to rethink your consumption patterns, leading to significant savings by purchasing bulk foods, avoiding single-use items, and making sustainable choices that often cost less in the long run. Tip 2. Explore co-housing opportunities. Co-housing presents a unique solution to reduce living expenses by sharing a home with others. This arrangement can dramatically lower your costs on everything from rent to utilities and grocery. Beyond financial benefits, co-housing fosters a sense of community, shared responsibilities, and mutual support, enriching your social life and creating a network of resources that can further enhance your frugal lifestyle. Tip 3. Invest in solar energy. The upfront cost of installing solar panels is quickly offset by the reduction in electricity bills and, in some cases, the ability to sell excess energy back to the grid. Solar power is a renewable resource that not only saves money but also contributes to a healthier planet. Investigating local incentives and subsidies can make this option even more financially viable. Tip 4. Harvest rainwater. Rainwater harvesting systems can collect significant amounts of water for non-potable uses such as gardening, flushing toilets, and laundry. This practice can substantially reduce your water bill and decrease your dependence on municipal water supplies, offering an eco-friendly alternative to meet your household water needs. Tip 5. Acquire basic veterinary skills. For pet owners, acquiring skills in basic pet healthcare and emergency treatment can lead to substantial savings on vet bills. From learning how to administer vaccinations to treating minor wounds, knowing how to care for your pet's basic needs can cut costs without compromising their health. However, it's crucial to consult professionals for serious health issues. Tip 6. Foraging and wildcrafting. The art of safely identifying, harvesting, and using wild edibles and medicinal plants can supplement your diet with free, nutritious food while connecting you with nature. This skill requires education and respect for local ecosystems, but can offer rewards in both health and savings, reducing grocery bills and providing unique nutritional benefits. Tip 7. Create passive income streams. Building passive income through endeavors such as writing, digital content creation, or smart investments can eventually reduce dependence on a traditional 9-to-5 job. This approach involves upfront time and effort, but can lead to financial independence, allowing more freedom and flexibility in how you live and work. Tip 8. Organize swap parties. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. Swap parties are a fun, social way to exchange items like clothing, books, and household goods without spending money. This system not only refreshes your wardrobe and home, but also promotes a culture of reuse and sharing, reducing waste and fostering community connection. Tip 9. Practice house hacking. If you own property, house hacking. Renting out part of your space can cover your mortgage or significantly reduce your living expenses. This strategy requires careful management but can provide financial breathing room and even lead to property investment opportunities. Tip 10. Join or form an intentional community. Living in an intentional community where resources, responsibilities, and sometimes incomes are shared can dramatically reduce individual living costs. These communities are built on principles of sustainability, cooperation, and shared values, offering a deeper sense of belonging and mutual support. Tip 11. Engage in bartering. Bartering goods and services is a time-honored way to obtain what you need without monetary exchange. By trading your skills, time, or possessions, you can access a wide range of goods and services, fostering a sense of community and cooperation while saving money. Tip 12. Master extreme couponing. Taking couponing to the extreme involves strategic planning, combining offers, and leveraging store policies to maximize savings. This can include getting items for free or even profiting from purchases. While time-consuming, it can be incredibly rewarding, offering significant reductions in grocery and household item expenses. Tip 13. Commit to digital detoxing. Reducing or eliminating digital subscriptions and screen time not only saves money, but also enriches your life with more meaningful experiences. Opt for activities that foster personal growth, community engagement, and physical health, like volunteering, joining a local club, or exploring nature. Tip 14. Adopt permaculture principles. Permaculture is a sustainable land use design that mimics the patterns and relationships found in nature. By applying these principles to your garden or homestead, you can create a self-sustaining ecosystem that produces food, conserves water, and creates natural habitats. This approach requires an initial investment of time and resources but leads to long-term sustainability and food security. Tip 15. Downsize to a tiny house. The tiny house movement offers an alternative to traditional homeownership with the potential for significant financial savings, reduced environmental impact, and a simpler, clutter-free lifestyle. This choice can radically alter your financial landscape, decreasing living costs and encouraging a more intentional way of life. Tip 16. Participate in time banking. Time banking is a community program where members exchange services using time as currency. This allows you to offer your unique skills in exchange for services you need, bypassing traditional financial transactions and fostering a sense of community and mutual aid. Tip 17. Explore off-grid living. Living off-grid, relying on your own resources for power, water, and food, can significantly reduce your living expenses and environmental footprint. While challenging, this lifestyle promotes resilience, self-sufficiency, and a deep connection to the environment. Tip 18. Make your own clothing. Learning to sew and craft your own garments and textiles not only saves money, but also allows for creative expression and customization. This skill can extend the life of your clothing through repairs and adjustments, reducing waste and the need for constant new purchases. Tip 19. Embrace fruganism. Fruganism involves minimizing waste by consuming discarded yet still usable food and goods. While controversial, it highlights the issue of waste in consumer societies and can lead to significant savings. It requires a commitment to ethical sourcing and safety considerations. Tip 20. Try work exchange vacations. Instead of traditional, costly vacations, consider work exchange programs where you work in exchange for accommodation and meals. This can provide enriching travel experiences, cultural exchange, and the opportunity to learn new skills without the high costs of tourist travel. Adopting these advanced frugal living tips requires a shift in mindset, a willingness to learn, and a commitment to sustainability. While some strategies may not be suitable for everyone, exploring these options can lead to profound changes in your financial situation and lifestyle. As you embark on this journey, remember that frugality isn't about sacrificing quality of life. It's about making conscious, thoughtful decisions that align with your values and goals